Hello everyone, this is Manisha Panda from Sambalpur, Odisha. Once again, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, that is Manisha's Magical Biology. In the last video, I had given about the full information about the lac operon, and I had also uploaded one of the videos of the microbes in human welfare. As you remember, in the microbes in human welfare, I had given the discussion. I had discussed about that organic acids and enzymes. We had discussed about the industrial use of microbes. Okay, let me revise that enzymes once again. What are the three enzymes? Lipases, proteases, and pectinases, and third one, streptokinase. If you remember, let me ask or let me revise a little bit about that. Lipases, proteases, and pectinases, and streptokinase. Lipases, what was the function? This is used in detergent formulations and are used to remove the oily stains from the laundry. Lipases are used in detergent formulations and are used to remove the oily stains from the laundry. Okay. Second, that proteases and pectinases, what is function? These are used to clear the fruit juices during bottling. Third, Streptokinase, what is the source? I had also told about the source. The source is genetically modified Streptococcus. I think you remember the function. Let me revise the function once again. That what is function? It is used as clot buster. For removing the blood clots from the blood vessels of the patients who have undergone myocardial infarction. This is used as clot buster, streptokinase, for removing the blood clots from the blood vessels of the patients who have undergone myocardial infarction. Okay, so that's over. We had finished that organic acids as well as enzymes. I think you remember that keyword for that. To remember the organic acids, what are the keyword? What is a keyword? Cable, C-A-B-L-E. Okay, let us get back to the topic. Today I want to discuss about that bioactive molecules and antibiotics. Okay, let me start the bioactive molecules. Okay, there are two bioactive molecules given in NCERT. There are two bioactive molecules. What are the two bioactive molecules? First is cyclosporin A. Cyclosporin A. Second is statins. First is cyclosporin A, second is statins. What is the source of the cyclosporin A? Cyclosporin A का source क्या होता है? The source is a fungus. Its scientific name, Trichoderma polysporum. There are two bioactive molecules. Bioactive molecule दो है. पहला वाला है cyclosporin A, second वाला है statins. What is the source of cyclosporin A? Its source is Trichoderma polysporum. It is a fungus. What is the source of statins? Source of statins is Monoscus purpureus. Okay. Cyclosporin A, Trichoderma polysporum, statins, Monoscus purpureus. Let me discuss the functions of these. What is the functions of cyclosporin A and statins? Function of cyclosporin A. What is function? It is used as immunosuppressive agent during organ transplantation. Cyclosporin A, its source is Trichoderma polysporum, and it is used as immunosuppressive agent during organ transplantation. When there is organ transplantation, these are used to suppress the immune system, because whenever a foreign organ is introduced to another body, it would be treated as a foreign organ, and it is needed to be it is attacked by the immune system, so it is needed to be that immune system should be suppressed, and this cyclosporin A, these are used as immunosuppressive agent during organ transplantation. Cyclosporin A. Okay, so this finishes cyclosporin A, that is a first bioactive molecule. Second bioactive molecule, it is statins. What is the source of statins? Source is Monoscus purpureus. Function, it is used as blood cholesterol lowering agent. It is used as blood cholesterol lowering agent by competitively inhibiting the enzyme responsible for cholesterol biosynthesis. It is used as blood cholesterol lowering agent by competitively inhibiting the enzyme responsible for cholesterol biosynthesis. Okay, let me repeat once again. Cyclosporin A, its source is Trichoderma polysporum. Statins, its source is Monascus purpureus. Cyclosporin A, its function is, it is used as immunosuppressive agent during organ transplantation. Okay, that statins, what is function? It is used as blood cholesterol lowering agent by competitively inhibiting the enzyme responsible for cholesterol biosynthesis. Okay, what is the name of the enzyme which competes with statins? What is the name of the enzyme? The name of the enzyme is HMG CoA reductase. HMG CoA reductase. Okay, its name is HMG CoA reductase. So this finishes bioactive molecules. Let us discuss the antibiotics. So we finished, what are the headings? We finished of microbes in industrial use. We finished organic acid, हमने organic acid खत्म किया है, enzyme खत्म किया, third bioactive molecule भी खत्म किया, fourth है antibiotics. Okay, fourth is antibiotic. So what are these antibiotics? Antibiotic क्या होता है? The term antibiotic is derived from two Greek words. The term antibiotic is derived from two Greek words. What are the two Greek words? The two Greek words are anti and bios. Anti means against and bios means life. The term antibiotic is derived from two Greek words. Anti means against and bios means life, which literally means against life. That means what do you mean by that, against life? With reference to disease causing organisms. The term antibiotic is derived from two Greek words. Anti means against and bios means life, which literally means against life, with reference to disease causing organisms. Okay, so what is the first antibiotic? I think you remember the first antibiotic. It is a penicillin. Penicillin is the first antibiotic. Penicillin. So penicillin is the first antibiotic which was discovered by Alexander Fleming. It is a very, very important question. Penicillin is the first antibiotic discovered by Alexander Fleming while working with one bacteria. What is the name of the bacteria? It is Staphylococci. Staphylococci bacteria. Penicillin is the first antibiotic discovered by Alexander Fleming while working with Staphylococci bacteria. Okay, but its potential as an effective antibiotic. Its potential as an effective antibiotic was later established by two other scientists. What are the names of the two other scientists? Ernst and Howard Florey. Penicillin is the first antibiotic to be discovered by Alexander Fleming while working with Staphylococci bacteria. But its potential as an effective antibiotic was discovered by was later established by two other scientists. What are the names of two other scientists? Ernst and Howard Florey. And these three scientists, Alexander Fleming, Ernst and Howard Florey, these three scientists, they got the Nobel Prize in 1945 for their discovery. In which year they got the Nobel Prize? They got the Nobel Prize in 1945 for their discovery. Alexander Fleming, Ernst and Howard Florey. Okay. So, what is the source of this penicillin? Penicillin is obtained from which fungus? Actually, it has been obtained from a fungus. Antibiotics, remember, antibiotics can also be obtained from bacteria. But the first antibiotic, that is penicillin, was discovered by Alexander Fleming, but obtained from a fungus. What is the name of the fungus? It is Penicillium notatum. Penicillin is the first antibiotic obtained from the fungus Penicillium notatum. Okay. And I would name few antibiotics, very, very important antibiotics, whose names have also been given in the biotechnology chapter, that is 11th and 12th chapter of NCERT, biology NCERT book, 12th. Okay, what are the antibiotics? Some of the examples of antibiotics. Okay, first ampicillin. Second tetracycline. Third kanamycin. Fourth chloramphenicol. First, once again I am repeating, first ampicillin, second tetracycline, third kanamycin, fourth chloramphenicol. Ampicillin, tetracycline, kanamycin, chloramphenicol. Some other I would like to name: azithromycin, cephalosporin. Okay, once again I repeat the names of the antibiotics. First, ampicillin, tetracycline, kanamycin, chloramphenicol, azithromycin, erythromycin, cephalosporin, rifampin, and there are many more antibiotics. These are the few antibiotics you should remember. Okay, so what are the uses of these antibiotics? What are the uses? Antibiotics are used for what? Antibiotics have been used for the treatment of a variety of diseases, like, to name a few, like it is mentioned in the NCERT book, like these are used to treat diphtheria, leprosy, pertussis, that's called whooping cough. Pertussis is whooping cough, and many more diseases like plague. So particularly antibiotics are used for treating which diseases, which are mentioned in NCERT. What are they? These are used to treat diseases like diphtheria, leprosy, pertussis, that is whooping cough, and plague. Okay, once again I am repeating the whole antibiotic. The term antibiotic is derived from two Greek words. Anti means against and bios means life, which literally means against life, with reference to the disease causing organisms. Penicillin is the first antibiotic to be discovered by Alexander Fleming while working with which bacteria? While working with Staphylococci bacteria. But its potential as an effective antibiotic was later established by two other scientists. What are the two names of the two other scientists? Ernst and Howard Florey. And these three scientists, Alexander Fleming, Ernst, and Howard Florey, the three of these scientists together, they shared the Nobel Prize in 1945 for their discovery. Okay, penicillin is obtained from the fungus Penicillium notatum, and antibiotics are used to treat a variety of diseases like diphtheria, leprosy, pertussis or whooping cough, and plague. These diseases are mentioned in NCERT. Okay, and I had also told some names of some antibiotics like ampicillin, tetracycline, kanamycin, chloramphenicol, that erythromycin, azithromycin, then cephalosporin, etc. Okay, so this finishes the video. We finished bioactive molecules and antibiotics. In the next session, I will get back to the useful aspect of microbes in household. Microbes in household products I will discuss in the next video. So please stay tuned, and please I will the things which I had told in the previous videos, I will definitely arrange all these things. And there is some sort of problem with my voice, you can see that, but just please cooperate with that. And please stay tuned. Thank you so much. Bye. Good night.